Have you ever had a gut feeling about something? A strong sense that you just knew something was true, or that you should do something, without any logical reason to back it up? If so, you have experienced intuition. In today's society, where everything is based on logic, science, and rationality, it is easy to overlook the importance of intuition. But the truth is that intuition is a powerful force that can guide us towards what is right for us, help us make better decisions, and lead us to a more fulfilling life. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of your intuition and learn how to trust your inner voice, keep watching. We'll dive deep into this fascinating topic and explore how you can use your intuition to improve your life in every way imaginable. What is intuition? Before we get into recognizing the signs of intuition, it is important to understand what intuition actually is. Intuition is a form of knowing that transcends the rational mind. It is a gut feeling or inner knowing that something is true or that you should do something. Intuition is a subtle, almost imperceptible nudge from your subconscious mind that can guide you towards what is best for you. It is a form of wisdom that comes from deep within your being, from a place beyond the conscious mind. So here's a story. A few years ago, I was at a crossroads in my career and was unsure what to do next. I had worked in corporate for many years and felt unhappy and unfulfilled. I was considering leaving my job to pursue something else, but I wasn't sure what exactly to do. Then one day while I was meditating, I had a sudden realization. I knew that I needed to take a break from working for someone else and start my own business. Although I had no concrete plan or idea, I trusted that this was the right path for me. And so I took the leap of faith and started my own business. In hindsight, I know that I was following my intuition and it was the best decision I could have made. This experience taught me the importance of paying attention to my intuition and learning to trust it more in my life. Now let's talk about how to recognize your inner voice. The first step towards harnessing your intuition is learning to recognize its signs. Your intuition will try to communicate with you in subtle ways before making itself clear. Here are some common signs of intuition. Physical sensations in the solar plexus. The solar plexus is the part of your body between your chest and pelvis, where your stomach sits. When your intuition is trying to communicate with you, you may feel a knot or discomfort in your stomach. Emotions. Your emotions can also be a source of intuitive wisdom. For example, you may feel a sudden surge of anger or irritation when someone is trying to manipulate you. Or you may feel a sense of calm and peace when you are making the right decision. Sudden insight or ideas. You may have a sudden insight or idea that seems to come out of nowhere. This could be a solution to a problem you've been struggling with or a new perspective on a situation. Recurring thoughts. If you keep having the same thought or image pop into your head, it could be a sign that your intuition is trying to get your attention. Dreams. Your dreams can also be a source of intuitive guidance. Pay attention to the messages you receive in your dreams and see if they can shed light on any challenges you're facing. These are just a few of the signs that your intuition is trying to communicate with you. The key is to pay attention to your body, emotions, and thoughts, and try to decipher the messages they are sending you. Remember, your intuition is a subtle guide, so it requires patience and practice to tune into its wisdom. Next, let's discuss how to trust your instincts. One of the biggest challenges we face when it comes to intuition is learning to trust it. We are often bombarded with messages from the outside world telling us what to think, say, and do, which can make it difficult to hear our inner voice. However, it is important to remember that you are the ultimate authority in your life, and you deserve to trust yourself. Here are some tips to help you build your confidence in your intuition. Overcoming self-doubt and fear. Self-doubt and fear can be some of the most destructive forces when it comes to intuition. They can convince us that we are not worthy of good things, or that we are not capable of making the right decisions. It is important to acknowledge these feelings and work through them with therapy or coaching. Negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can also hinder our ability to trust our intuition. We may constantly be telling ourselves that we are not good enough or that we don't know what we're doing. By becoming aware of your negative self-talk, you can start to challenge and reframe these thoughts in a more positive and empowering way. Lack of confidence. Lack of confidence can also prevent us from following our intuition. We may fear that we are not confident enough to make the right decisions or take the necessary risks. By setting small goals for ourselves and celebrating our accomplishments, no matter how small, we can build our confidence and trust in our abilities. Building a support system. Having a support system of friends, family, or mentors who believe in you can be invaluable when it comes to trusting your intuition. These people can provide the love and encouragement you need to follow your heart, even when you feel scared or uncertain. Remember, trusting your intuition takes practice, but the rewards are immeasurable. When you trust yourself, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities and allow yourself to live a life that is true to who you are. Harnessing your intuition for decision-making. Now that you have learned to recognize the signs of intuition and build your confidence in your instincts, it is time to put it all together and learn how to use your intuition to make decisions. Making decisions can be tough, especially when there are multiple options to consider. However, by using your intuition, you can make decisions that are right for you and lead you to a more fulfilling life. Here are some tips to help you use your intuition to make decisions. The power of gut feelings. Your gut feeling is one of the most direct ways that your intuition tries to communicate with you. When you have a gut feeling about something, it is important to pay attention to it. Take a moment to pause. When faced with a difficult decision, take a moment to pause and listen to your gut feeling. What does your intuition tell you to do? How does your body feel when you think about each option? Journaling. Journaling is another powerful tool for accessing your intuition. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you can start to identify patterns and gain clarity on what is important to you. Visualize potential outcomes. Visualization is also a useful technique for making decisions. Close your eyes and visualize the potential outcomes of each option. Which path leads to the most joy and fulfillment? Trust your inner voice. After considering your options and listening to your intuition, it is time to make a decision. Trust your inner voice and choose the option that feels right to you, even if it goes against what others may want for you. Now let us look at some examples of how intuition can guide you in different areas of your life. Relationships. Your intuition can be a valuable guide in matters of the heart. When you are dating, it can help you determine whether a relationship is right for you. It can also help you navigate any challenges that arise in your romantic relationships. Career choices. Your intuition can also guide you in your career. If you are unhappy in your current job, your intuition may be telling you to make a change. It can also help you decide what type of work would be most fulfilling for you. Personal growth. Finally, your intuition can be a powerful ally on your personal growth journey. It can help you identify areas where you need to grow and change, as well as guide you towards the resources and opportunities that can help you do so. We have covered quite a lot, but we still have one final step: living in alignment. The final step in learning to trust your intuition is to start living in alignment with it. This means making decisions that are true to who you are and what you believe in, even when it is difficult. It is important to remember that you are the ultimate authority in your life, and you deserve to live a life that is authentic to you. Aligning with your highest self. Your intuition is connected to your higher self, which is the part of you that is all-knowing and wise beyond measure. By tuning into your intuition, you are aligning yourself with your highest self and accessing a deeper source of wisdom and guidance. Following your soul's purpose. Your intuition can also help you live in alignment with your soul's purpose. When you trust your intuition, you are more likely to make decisions that are in line with your soulless mission and that contribute to the greater good. Embracing change. Finally, living in alignment with your intuition means being open to change. Change can be scary, but it is also necessary for growth and evolution. By trusting your intuition, you can embrace change with more ease and grace, and navigate any challenges that come your way. Trusting your intuition is a powerful way to live your life. It allows you to tap into a deeper source of wisdom and guidance, leading you to a more fulfilling and joyful life. As you continue to develop your intuition, you will become more attuned to the subtle cues that guide you towards what is right for you. Embrace the journey and trust that you are always being guided towards your highest good. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery. I hope you found this video helpful and that it has inspired you to tune into your intuition and trust your inner voice. Remember, you are the ultimate authority in your life, and you deserve to live a life that is authentic to you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.